I did tell you that I'll be doing 2 videos today, so I'm doing an assumption tag. Like I posted this post like I think about 2 months ago, but I didn't have a phone then, you all know that. But since now I have a phone, I have to shoot and deliver. But you guys took your time and commented for me to do the actual like the video, ne? So I'm looking for the comments. Yeah, found them. So I'm doing assumption tag. You guys commented and not dropping assumptions they know about mna, so I'll be responding on that. So if you're new to my channel, please do make sure you hit the subscribe button. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for watching and returning. Thank you for having, and to my notification gang, to my notification gang, gang. Then they notice, I understand. Like I notice you guys. So the first assumption about me was, oh no, why? Okay, Nancy. Oh, Tilona. So you smell nice, easy to talk to, but then you end up over talking. Ne? So you smell nice. The assumption, oh, is he telling me? I think he's telling me. So I'm easy to talk to, but then you end up over talking. Like for reals, like I do that. Like na guys, now I'm very easy to, like if you want to talk, you can talk to me. And guys, I'm very talkative. I over talk. I know you guys like it. You can notice that if like I'm like, okay guys, I'm gonna end my videos here, and I'll be like, keep on talking. So that's true. And then this girl said, Kumne, you don't seem to know how beautiful you are. Yes, I do. I know, Tanasam. I'm very pretty. I am very beautiful. I know. Like, I know. And thank you for that. So, you're not always as confident as you portray yourself in those gosh moments. Listen, I am very confident, like very confident. And guys, I feel like I'm showing you myself as time as I post my videos. I'm becoming freely, and I love that. Like I really love that. Now I'm very confident, guys. Like very confident. You do shit to me. If I wanna respond with shit, I will. If I want to ignore you, I will ignore you. There are things that needs to be ignored. There are things that need to be addressed. Ne? You should know that. Ne? So I'm very confident. Like very confident. I don't care. I'll be like showing me all the time. You're very adventurous, outgoing, always ready to try out new things. That's like me. I'm very outgoing. I love trying out new things. Like I'm about to show you everything I'm gonna do. I have my phone, sharing with you. Okay, that's the truth. I'm assuming you're stingy and bougie. No, I'm not. I'm not stingy and bougie. Like I love spending money, especially if it's gonna be something that's gonna bring me fun. And like I don't even care if I see something a shop and I love it, I will buy it, even if I didn't plan to buy it. If I feel like giving someone money, I will give it to them. That's like who I am. I'm not stingy at all. You could even ask my friends, they could tell you. So you don't see yourself with kids one day. Yo, I love children, and I think I want 5 or 6. Like I really love kids. I have 2 small brothers, little brothers. The first one, like the I think you saw him on the vlog that I posted. He's doing grade 2 this year. He's 8 years old, and my small brother is 4 years old. I love him so much, and he's my baby. I love kids like a lot. And this other guy says you look like the type that will blue tick and grey tick the person at the same time. Yes, and nah. I would grey tick you and blue tick you if you're talking crap. If you do something that I don't like, then I would do that. But if you saying something that's Okay, I won't do that to you because it's very rude. It's very, very rude to blue tick someone. It's very rude to grey tick someone. Do respond to people. You should respond to people, please. You're not good at expressing yourself. Your feelings, I am very good. I am very good, like very, very good. I don't mind making a VN that's like 20 minutes. I don't mind writing posts that's like this long. I don't. So I'm very good. You're actually very shy. I'm not shy. I'm not, never. Not Minasan. You can't lie. It depends. It depends, but if it's something that's serious, important, then I won't lie. But if I have to save my skin, let's say I went out ekhaya and they found out that I went out and didn't that, and then I'm in trouble, I will have to lie because I don't want to get in trouble. Ne? But if it's something very, very serious, I won't lie. Let's say I'm being asked by police what actually happened in Quindo, I will have to tell the truth because it's very serious. I won't be able to lie to that, you know? So yeah. You portray that I don't give a shit attitude whilst you are soft on the inside. Okay, this one. Ne? Let me read it again for you. You portray that I don't give a shit attitude whilst you are soft on the inside. Like, I don't give a shit, like for reals. But I am soft inside. Too easy, that are sensitive. Too easy, that has to be like, okay, I will be soft because I have to. But if it's something that's gonna make me like maybe happy when it's feeding, I don't give a shit. If you're doing shit, I'ma give you shit. If you're nice to me, I'ma be nice to you. I mean, like, if you're spending your time on me, you're treating me good, you're doing all the things like making me happy, I'ma do the same shit to you. But if you're giving me shit, I'll give you shit. Like, I don't care. Emma? You're choosy or picky? Depends. But what's that? Like, let's say, if I have to choose, then I will choose. I will pick if I have to. Because I cannot downgrade or like meet a lower level. I'd never meet someone at a lower level for them to be happy while I'm gonna suffer. No, I won't be able to do that. You have to meet me here if I'm here, or let's meet each other here. Ne? Because I won't be able to meet you at a lower level. Halfway, no, I won't be able to do that. If I have to pick, I have to pick. If I have to be choosy, I will be choosy. You're very smart. I'm very smart, and a lot of people have said that to me, and I also know that I'm very smart. You don't date broke guys. There's nothing wrong in dating broke guys. I would date someone even if they don't have money, because I'm not dating them for their money. I'm dating them because I love them. What's important is love, attention, commitment, and other things. Money it's not that very important in a relationship. Yes, it is important because sometimes you guys have to buy things for yourselves, go out, make yourself happy. It's fine. But if ayikho imali ayikho, you don't have to go and rob a bank because you want to spoil me. No, you don't have to. And then if I have money, I will spend it on you because you're my guy, mostly. And I know if you had money, then you would also spend it on me. But then if one day you end up having money and then you don't, like, I'ma leave you. Because I saw the girl, look. I saw maybe I'm 50-50 most. You see what's on your mind all the time. Yeah. Especially when I'm angry. I say what's on my mind, like right now. Even if it's something that's gonna hurt you, I will say it, and then like I'm gonna be like, when we're okay, and then I'm gonna do so, like I said something, and be like, I'm sorry for saying that, and I was so angry for saying it, but like I said it, but I say what's on my mind, like all the time, no shame, like all the time. Oh, the phone is loud. I was using this phone, guys. I want a phone in the shame. You're very soft-hearted. Yes. But I can be cruel if you're cruel to me. Like I'm not in Jalo, man. If you're giving me something, I'ma give that to you back. Giving me shit, is that sad? I'll give you shit. You good to me, I'm a good to you. Like it's simple. Ekodi. Yeah, papa. Ehleka. Yeah, dikalisa. I wouldn't say yeah, papa. The hyper, the live, the right qa. If we vibe iti, nditi. But in the iti, nditi. Like kanjalo. So yeah, and that's the time for papa. Oh, go, but yeah. You can't cook, I can cook, but in the manner. That's the thing. You can't pretend. I don't pretend. I do not pretend. Like, I'll never pretend. If, listen, I found out you're doing crap behind my back, I'm gonna tell you that I know what you did. And then I'm gonna end whatever that we had. It's okay if you apologize, I'm gonna forgive you, but we're not gonna be the same way we were. Yaniva, are you listening? You talk crap about me. You talk shit about behind my back. You create lies about me. I'm fun about it. I'ma cut all ties. Like I need to was. Like why would I smile with like I'd be seeing posts on Facebook. People be like, "Simuma nabo behlebe." We're like, what the actual F? Why do you do that? So nguma njani no mntu? Nguma njani mntu okhlebayo? What's that nto? Some risk and husband. The guys are risking. Chip, you can't dance. And yes, I don't know. Part of me says I can't dance. Part of me like, I need a do but we move. I'm a dancer for one day. I'm a dancer for one day. And even you notice, I almost give love I'm doing that jive, but I love dancing. You can't sing. I believe I have. That's more part of me like, girl, you can sing, but I cannot sing. Yeah, I'm fish out wakho. That's it. So and just bakufisha, but I'm not into a public relationship. You guys may see me with him, then it's fine. But I ain't gonna post no nigga. I ain't gonna post no nigga on my socials. If I post him, I'ma hide his face. If I post him, I'ma show you his fingers. I'ma show you his hand. I'ma show you his legs. If I post him, but I'm never posting a nigga on my social. Then the men's Nina, the dangerous, Nina, the dangerous ukufa. Because by the time you all see that, okay, this person is dating this, who and who and who. And you guys be starting to send invites and the guy like what actually why are you doing that corner? Why are you guys doing that? It's dangerous, man. I feel it's ban what and we last born, no, the firstborn does the kai I am 20 years old, the firstborn, come on mom. Eva, the firstborn. I was ukula nah. And KwaZulu, I don't do fights, but I because they'll be like, okay, teeny, but that's like that was long time ago. We are Jola 99. I'm not gonna answer that. We are Jola 99. You're not over ex, you're not over your ex, I am over him, because if I was not over him, I'd still be with him. I'd still be with him. If I was not over him, I am over him, and I am going back to someone that I end a thing with. No, I'm not going back to that. We move in life, we move, we're not going back, we're going forward, okay? So this is the end of my video, guys. I love my vibe, like a tiny vibe. I'm so vibey today. I don't know why, but anyways, if you did like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. Please do give it a big thumbs up and comment with anything, like and share, do all the things, man. So see you till next time, guys. See you. ndifuna ingoma ezi rhwaps ngaze ndiqala yifiva ndimhle ndiqala yifiva guys, it's fine. Akho ngoma ikhalayo. Bye guys, I love you. Thank you for watching. Love you so much, and sending love, sending happiness to you. I love you so much, and thank you for spending your data on my videos. Thank you for being loyal. Thank you for being loyal to me. When did I start this channel? I think it was in March. I think it was in April. Like, you've been there for me then, and you're still there for me now. I really appreciate you guys. Like, from the bottom of my heart, you guys are the best. Like, literally. Naiva.